you?
Dale.
And what do you have today, Dale?
A Lego Duplo Lightning McQueen's Race Day. Disney car. The Duplo bunny. Lightning McQueen and Tomato. It's a work store.
Okay.
It has a trophy. 42 pieces.
Right.
2 plus 0 complete.
Rip it open.
Here.
What's in there?
Lightning McQueen. All kinds of tomato. He's not in the bag. Let's get Lightning McQueen out. And look, I know how to put him on. Let me turn him around. And here's another bag.
Okay.
Full of pieces. There's 2 construction. That's gotta be my construction book. And there's 2 more bags. Oh, there's some new tire. There's a new tire.
Yeah, where's tomatoes? Tires, are they in that bag? Oh, you got them on already. Check it out. Tomato. Lightning McQueen. Looks pretty cool.
Now you have to find tomatoes pieces. I think there's more pieces in here. Oh, here's part of his tow truck. And, where's his tow hook? Oh, here it is. Oops. There. Now watch this. And
Lightning McQueen.
here's a gas can. And here's a flag. There. He can be on his head. That's gotta be my construction book.
There's your book.
And here's this book. Here's this bag.
It shows the bag is on his head. You can do that too.
I think it's growing on him.
Okay.
And here's a wrench. And here's the trophy.
Oh, this is okay.
Trophy.
Trophy. Number 1 on it.
Whoa! And you can put a wrench on too. I don't think this is gonna work.
No, I think that goes somewhere else, probably. But the gas can go in the back of tomato. Maybe there's a gas can. No. Go behind him on the back.
No.
Oh, just. What do you say?
Hi kids.
Are you?
Playing.
Dale's playing with his new.
Piston cup set.
Yeah.
And you can put the wrench on here. That. And the box says you can build a couple more things. And then you can take Mater's hook off and put the gas can on. And you can take this off. You can take these 2 off. And you can put them back on.
Where did we buy this toy, Dale?
At Target!
is just have fun, right?
And you can put this by the piston cup.
Oh yeah, but yeah, I can have fun with this stuff. So what are you supposed to do with it now?
Play with it. And put it together like this, and then you can put this. And you can put this on, you can put the flag on here. There. Or you can put it on a meter. And you can control it off and put it on here. It can build a couple more things. So let's get ahead and give those a try, kid. And this is what it looks like in the construction book. And look, this is what it looks like in the picture. So let's give those a try, kid.
Okay, let's see what you can do.
So let's take meter apart and put the gas can on. And we have to take the piston cups apart. We have to take 1, 2, and 3 off. And we have to take these apart. And let's try to get you can put lightning cooling on there so it can be fixed. So let's just weave that together. Cat register. In here, and you can do whatever you want. And put these on. Now I just took it apart. So let's just back together.
So this will probably be a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
So what do you want to say to the kids?
Thanks for watching my
What's the name of it?
This is Playtime.
Be sure
Do like and subscribe.